Welcome to the Big Bid Day, an online auction organized by the Sheetal Group. It is an auction specifically designed for our diamonds that we offer to our buyers at prices which suit them. This video tutorial will help you get an overview of the auction and its processes. Let's begin. Start by downloading the app from the Apple or Google Store. For your registration on the app, get in touch with your key account manager and complete the required documentation. Please note that you have to submit your KYC documents. All bidders who are based in Hong Kong and China are required to submit their updated copy of BRO along with other supporting documents that are mentioned in our Terms and Conditions policy. To start the process, log in with your respective ID and password. Press the auction button on the app to begin. Please read all the terms and conditions carefully. Once you have finished, click Accept to continue the process. By default, the terms and conditions will be sent to your registered ID. However, in the next step, you have the option of providing an additional email ID. This is in case if you wish to receive a copy of our terms and conditions on that email. Once you accept the terms and conditions, you will be directed to the Auction Search tab. All the filters can be used as per your preference. These are various detailed features on this page pertaining to diamonds of different shapes, colors and clarity. You can select the cut, symmetry and the carat of the diamond as well. For your added convenience, there are quick filter options such as white and fancy in terms of colors. If you like, you can choose all for viewing each option too. Go to the button on the top right corner of the app that will give you options such as Select All, Add to Bid Cart, View Request, Email Stone, Download PDF, Status Info and Clear Selection. It is also important to kindly note that no examinations of diamonds are allowed if their weight is less than 0.70 carat. Once you select the stones that interest you, the View Request tab will open up on the app. Select an appointment date and time as per your convenience for your desired stone, which are available as per location. Click Submit once you are done. Use the Bid Cart button on the right-hand side of the screen to add the stones that you wish to bid on. Use the Bid Cart button on the app to view your prospective bids. The time left for bidding will be shown on the top left corner of the app. You can now place your bid on the desired stones and click on the Save button. However, if you choose to opt for bulk bidding, select multiple stones and then place your bid by clicking on the Save option at the bottom of your screen. Also, you can undo your bidding by removing your selected stones. When you wish to check the stones on which you have placed bids, click on the My Bid icon. Your bidding status will be highlighted in two colors, green and red. Green suggests you are leading in your bid, while red suggests that you are trailing. If you wish to lead in the bids for your desired stones, select a higher bid discount and press Save Bid at the bottom of the app. In the process, the bidder shall be kept informed about the progress of his bids at the Big Bid Day auction, including the times when stones are added to the bid cart, when someone outbids them, or when they win a particular diamond. This will be done through email alerts.